Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and also welcome to my first video. In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to play Eurofly, an audio game for blind and visually impaired people. But first, before we get started, I want to introduce my channel for you. So, in this channel, you'll see many tutorials, audio game demonstrations and audio game episodes. Most of tutorials will be on how to use new technologies. For example, how to use NVDA, how to use TalkBack, and more. That was only the examples. Now, let me talk about myself. I'm Mangirdas from Lithuania. I'm 14 years old. And if you want to see this content that I have told to you, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so we can get started. So, first, you need to download this game. So, you can download it by typing to Google Eurofly audio game. Once you type it, you'll see that website where you can download it. So let's get started. Once we have downloaded, we need to launch it. So I have downloaded it, so I'll not show you how to download. It's really easy. You just have to go to that page and find button that says download. Okay, so first of all, launch Eurofly.
Folder view list, OBS Studio 20, ESE, Eurofly 50, blank.
This is Eurofly intro.
Welcome to Eurofly. About Eurofly.
Blank. Eurofly. Application error dialog.
Okay, don't worry, I get this error every time I launch Eurofly. But it's nothing bad. Okay, so first of all, let's walk through main menu. As you may know, you can walk through main menu with up and down arrows. So first option we can see in main menu is
About Eurofly.
About Eurofly. So this option tells you about this game, so we can listen to this option.
Eurofly is a successful Slovak airline company that operates international flights within Europe as well as transcontinental flights worldwide. You have just become a pilot of this company and your job is to complete the tasks assigned to you by your superior and safely carry passengers from different countries to their destination. You are about to become a pilot flying in your country. If you do well, you will be deployed for longer and more difficult routes and your rank will gradually increase. As we said, Eurofly is a successful company, so we allow you to free fly it around the world or explore the map. Good luck. About Eurofly.
So, now I think you know more about this game. So basically, this game is where you start as a pilot in training and you do different tasks and you getting promoted. So, like I said, you start as pilot in training and then you can become captain pilot. This role means you are the biggest rank pilot. So, first option was about Eurofly. Second option,
Tasks.
tasks. This is the main game part. You complete tasks and you get promoted.
Free flying.
Free fly. Here you can free fly around the map. You can fly from one airport to another airport.
Manual walking through map.
Manual walking through map. Here you can just walk all around the map.
Profiles.
Profiles. So basically, before you get started playing this game, you need to create your profile. You can have multiple profiles, so in this category you can delete profile, edit profile, or create a new profile.
Voices.
Voices. Here you need to select your synthesizer you will be using in this game, NVDA, SAP5, or whatever synthesizer you use.
Options.
Options. This is pretty self-explanatory, but today we'll be playing with default options, because it's nothing much to change.
Test your speakers.
Test your speakers. This tests your left and right speakers. We can test it out.
Left. Right.
Test your
So
speakers.
there you go.
Add-ons.
Add-ons. Basically, this option was released recently, so I don't really know what this means.
About the program.
About the program. This tells you about the program. We can listen for this.
Eurofly is
Only
created by
multi-line
Stefan
flag.
Kiss from Slovakia in 2016. Visit the webpage www.stefankis.sk or contact by email kissoft@stefankis.sk.
So, you even heard where to download this game. You heard web page name
About the program. Exit.
and exit. So, now let's get started with our first task. Basically, what I want to tell you is that this game is basically difficult when you are a new person in this game, because there are so many keyboard shortcuts and stuff like that. So,
About Eurofly.
let's go to tasks.
Tasks.
List. Jessica.
And I need to select my profile because I have a few profiles, so I'll select test.
Test.
Here it is.
Information dialog. If you register this profile, you can join the Eurofly online community. Would you like to register this profile and allow other pilots to see your activity, as well as communicate with them? Note that an internet connection is obviously required. Yes.
So, like you heard, you can register your profile and anyone will see your stats on website. So for now, I'm gonna press no.
No button. Alt. Eurofly.
And first, when you launch this game, you will be spawned in hang. So to check where you are, press O.
Blank. Oh. List. Relat.
I'm not in hang because I was
90.
trying if it's first task. So yeah, it is first task.
Departure. Task. 00.
Yeah. So we're not in hang,
180. Blank.
basically. So when you are in hang, you need to open it with Control O, and then you need to get out of the hang. So I'll show you how to do this in other tutorial. Basically, how you do this. So you open with Control O the hang, then you go straight with home button, and then you need to check your map longitude with L letter, and when your coordinates are between 3000 and 3200, you need to turn right 90 degree by pressing Control and right arrow. Then you need to check your map latitude, so you need to park between 100 and 0. So yeah, this is pretty simple. If you don't understand, don't worry, I'll show you this in another video. Now I'm not in hang, so let's start. So now we're in parking position. So when you are in parking position, you need to press Control
Blank.
plus Shift plus E to fill in the fuel. Here it is. If you want to fill any amount of fuel, you can press Control E and you will need to enter amount of fuel. Okay, now let's fasten our seat belt. Do this, press Control plus B.
Done.
Here it is, done. Now let's turn our computer on. So it will be Control
Blank.
Shift K.
Computer on.
Computer on. Now we need to see our task. To read your task, press A.
Welcome to Eurofly. Test. In just a few flights, you'll be clocking hours in our employ. We'll give you 10 flights to test your pilot skills. Your first test, take this Cessna 172 and depart from Novi Zamki and set course to Suriname. It's a very short flight, so if there's any problems, we're hoping they're technical. Good luck, A.
To see additional information about the task, press Shift plus A.
A. List. Task. 00. Departure. Novi Zamki, Slovakia. Destination. Suriname, Slovakia.
And walk through this menu by pressing up and down arrows.
Passengers. No. Legs. None. Aircrafts. Cessna C-100 and required countries, none. Prohibited countries, none. Required points, none.
So that's basically
270.
all. So let's press Shift A again, because I went out from this menu,
List
and
blank.
see our destination. Let's press down arrow.
Departure, destination, Surini, Slovakia.
Surini, Slovakia. So now
0
we need to
blank.
set our destination to navigation. So to do that, press Control F8.
Blank. List,
And
blank.
you have to find Surini, Slovakia with up and down arrows. So now you will need to go down.
Slovakia, Surini,
And
11 kilometers,
It's
13
first
left,
option.
2
So,
minutes.
To set destination, don't press enter, press spacebar.
Destination set, space,
Here we
Eurofly.
are. Now we need to turn our engines on. To do that, press page up and page down.
Ready. Ready.
Now we need to turn on our radio transmitters. To do this, press Control Shift F.
Done. Set frequency.
Set frequency. Now you'll need to enter code to enter radio. So to hear your code, press F.
New 119,3, F.
119,3. To enter it, press Alt plus F.
Enter frequency, edit,
And
blank,
enter the frequency.
1, 1,
1,
8, 8, 9,
9,
M,
comma,
comma,
3.
3, Eurofly.
4119.
And you heard another code. This code you have to enter the transponder. In order to do this, turn the transporter on. Control
Blank.
plus Shift plus T.
Done.
And now, to listen your squawks again, press spacebar.
Squawks,
4119.
4119. To enter it, press Alt plus T.
transponder, edit,
And now
blank,
enter it.
4, 1, 1, 9.
Identification confirmed.
Identification confirmed. Here we are. Now we need to ask for permission to take off, but first we need to check what speed do we have to go to take off. So
List,
to do
I suck
this,
blank.
press Control Enter and go down.
Airport, Novzamki, Slovakia. Pilot, test in training, 1. Cessna C-172, certificate. Number of seats, 4. Number of passengers, 0. Starting weight, 1,0 ton. Current weight, 2,4 ton. Maximum airspeed, 240 kilometers per hour. Range, 1,208. Ceiling, 4,001. Takeoff speed, 115 kilometers per hour.
Takeoff speed 115 kilometers per hour.
Landing airspeed, 115 kilometers per hour.
Landing airspeed 115 also.
Current takeoff speed, 116 kilometers per hour.
Current takeoff speed 116 kilometers per hour.
Current landing airspeed,
Current landing
116
airspeed,
kilometers
116
per hour.
Kilometer per hour.
Fuel tank capacity,
And that's it. So we know how
1,392.90.
Takeoff. So now we have to ask for permission to take off. So to do that, press F1.
SK737, you are cleared to take off using the runway in front of you.
Adriatic
So,
C5 HR4 blank.
Go, press home. It will increase your speed. But first we need to turn our brakes off.
B.
Off.
Then we need to turn our storm radar on with Control Shift S.
Storm radar on.
Then ventilation with Control Shift V.
Ventilation on.
TCAS with Control Shift C.
TCAS on.
And pressure with Control Shift P.
Pressure on.
And also, if you don't want to do this in the flight, you can turn on tempering by pressing Control Shift Q.
Tempering on.
Here it is. Now, let's ask for permission again to see if our runway is not,
SK-737, you are cleared to take off using the runway in front of you. SK-737, you are cleared to take off using the runway in front of you.
So press B to turn off brakes.
B,
Done.
B,
Off.
Here it is. And press home to increase your speed.
17, 26, R, 42, 50,
We need
R,
to
60,
go
R, 70,
until
R,
we
81,
see
88, R,
150.
99,
To check
R.
your speed, press letter R.
119, 117, 115, R,
Now press Control F
flag,
to activate our flaps. Now press
Done.
down arrow to raise our nose angle and raise it to 15. Check it with letter T.
2, 4, 6, 9, 11, 14, 17, 15, T,
Now press Control F to
Flag.
activate our flaps.
SK-737, climb and continue heading north.
To activate our landing gear. I mean to do it lower. Now
Take off
how
successful.
successful.
SK-737, climb to 500 and set heading towards your destination.
We have set our destination, we don't need to do this. Now press home to increase your speed a bit.
157, R,
Press home.
Давайте.
and 40, R,
You can check your
240,
speed
R,
as I said with R, so it's 240.
240, R,
Если нам стачи, щадям авиас.
240, R, 17 left bearing 300
Now,
blank,
to see where to turn, press N.
18 left bearing
18
blank,
left bearing. So
SK-737, continue on your
press
present course and
shift
altitude.
left to turn left
Vanilla.
10 degree and left 9 times to turn 9 degree.
12 right bearing 340,
So
N,
shift
SK-737, descend to 100.
turn 10 degree and
3 right bearing 300,
times
ahead bearing
right
341,
and now it
15,
said descend
T,
to 100. To do that we have to
SK-737, you are leaving the airspace of you have entered the airspace of a new airport.
ahead bearing
7037.
Now you heard squawks again, so press Alt T.
transponder, edit,
If you
blank,
don't remember, just press
0.
escape, press space bar.
space,
Squawk
1000,
7037.
6, 7, 0, 3, 6, 6,
7,
Identification
minus
confirmed.
3,
SK-737, this is your destination airport. Descend to 100 and contact tower to request landing clearance at 2 kilometers from the airport.
minus 20, minus 14,
you have to press
minus
up
16,
arrow,
T, minus 16, T,
check with your noise angle, that's on minus 15.
185
Now,
crosswind from
increase your
left,
speed with
R,
N button.
153,
To 115 because we will need to land.
114 crosswind, 109 crosswind, 115
dobrý večer.
crosswind from left,
And
R, to
Informácie
land.
Oscar Glenha 1018 a od teraz máme kat 3 alfa na dráhu 31.
One comment we can ask it, so for us, I'm going to ask.
SK-737, all runways are full. Please stand. SK-737, you are cleared to land. I repeat, you are cleared to land.
Flaps,
Done.
track your landing gear.
90,
Your speed just decreased a bit, so press Alt
100
to
and 115 tailwind, 115 tailwind 4, R, minus 16,
Now we're landing.
409, 400 and minus 90, minus 21, T, 460, Z, 0,3 K, 13 left bearing, 16 left bearing, 19, 20, 403, Z.
Landing now.
Minus 25, T. 361, Z. 100 and 0,2 K, 0,2 K, 0,3 K, 0,3 K, 288, Z.
We're landing now. You can check your height with Z-let.
231,
I think
Z.
I mentioned that. I'm sorry.
205, Z. 100, 0,8 km soup, 153, Z. 109, Z.
Okay, we're landing
77,
pretty well.
7, 6, 6, 6, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 4, 30, 30, 30, 30, 20, 20, 20, 29, 6, 4, 12, 10, 7, 5, 3, 0, 0.
And here it
Landing
is.
successful.
Landing successful. Now decrease your speed with N button and check your latitude with T.
Minus 810, K.
And you have to park between 0 and 100.
Minus 700, K.
So just decrease your speed, check it
54, R.
54, so we can decrease it a bit.
Minus
Minus
560.
500. This is a bell, don't worry about this. This says just nothing.
Minus 420. Minus 300.
Okay. Decrease your speed.
Minus 258.
Minus 200.
Minus 194, K. Minus 150, K. Minus 100, K. Minus 53. Minus 30, 0.
0. We can stop.
Parking position.
Parking position. Here we are. We just completed the task.
Task completed successfully. Congratulations.
So that's basically how to play this game. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button on this video. Subscribe to my channel. to
About
see more
Eurofly.
content like that. I'll see you next time.
Folder view.
Bye.
Discord, OBS, space, no, yeah.